how wonderful is the relationship and partnership between Sindh government and Indus Hospital is. Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Dr. Saiba. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Saiba, for being with us. Thank you.